Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTaker. In today's video, I'm going to do the benchmark test in the Realme Pad 3 on the day 1 after unboxing. So this is a day 1 of using the Realme Pad 3 and just now I did do the unboxing of the Realme Pad 3 and let's do the benchmark test and let's find out of the box how much benchmark scores you can actually expect in the Realme Pad 3. So right now I did not install any applications as you can see guys. And in case if you're watching this channel for the first time, make sure to hit that like and subscribe, and also don't forget to check the playlist videos for the Realme Pad 3 device. All the playlist links will be available in the description. If you cannot find, you can go to my channel and you can check the playlist videos. And the tab comes with the Dimensity 7300 Max chipset. So according to the Realme claims, the tablet can get up to scores of 1 million benchmark scores. So today we are going to use the latest version of the benchmark test and let's download that. And let's see what will be the overall benchmarks you can expect in the Realme Pad 3 tablet. So this is a 8GB and 128GB version which I'm trying to use in this video for the demonstration. And once the benchmark test has been downloaded, we'll try to do the testing. How much high temperatures it can actually get up to, and what will be the overall temperatures while doing this testing. How much benchmarks you can expect in this Realme Pad 3 at this moment. So let's click download and let's install this. And I'll be back after once the installation has been done. Right now, benchmark test has been completely installed successfully in this tablet. And right now the battery percentage is 61%, so which is not bad. So let me to start the test. And right now the temperature is about 27 degrees Celsius, which remains to be pretty cool. No problem at all. And I will be back after some time again to check the overall benchmark test results in this Realme Pad 3 device with the Dimensity 7300 Max device, Max processor. We'll try to see overall benchmarks, how much high it can actually get up to in the Realme Pad 3. And I will be back after some time. So right now, let's check the temperature readings in this Realme Pad 3. The temperature remains to be exactly very low, guys, like around 27 degrees Celsius only. And the battery dropped only by 1% while doing this benchmark test till now, which is really very solid in terms of the performance and the battery draining. And the temperature not even increasing more than 30 degrees Celsius at this moment, which remains to be kind of pretty cool. So with the Dimensity 7300 Max processor. So I will be back at the end of the test results in the Realme Pad 3. So right now it's about 64%. I will be back after some time again to check overall test results. So finally, this is a benchmark scores from the Realme Pad 3 device out of the box after unboxing. The tablet did score about close to 9,91,000, which is kind of pretty close to like 1 million benchmark scores what the Realme did claim. And the battery percentage overall drain during this test is about 3 degrees Celsius only. And the temperature remains to be kind of exactly very similar. Not a huge difference regarding the temperatures. So nothing at all. So these are benchmark score results in the Realme Pad 3. And this is a 8GB and 128GB version, which I'm trying to use in this video for the demonstration purpose. So this is what the benchmark scores you can actually expect in the tablet. So I was expecting kind of close to like 1 million benchmark, but it didn't reach that 1 million. So it's kind of a little bit short to that 1 million benchmark score. But anyway, so this is a quick demonstration, guys, on the Dimensity 7300 Max processor. This is what you can actually expect. Meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching. Until instead of more updates, and bye.